What's going on, guys? This is Justin, and today I'm going to be showing you a very special method that'll help you earn free money by using a special Google hack. I'm actually going to show you a secret website that'll pay you money for just clicking on links. And no, this is not a clickbait, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to receive $1 for free just for using the website. You don't need any prior experience to do that, and the method works worldwide. And I'm gonna show you how to make free money using Google and this special website in 3 easy steps. The first step is to go to this website, shrinkme.io, and sign up for an account. I'm gonna show you how to do that, but before we do, here's what the website is all about. After you sign up for this website, you're going to receive $1 for free, sent immediately to your bank account or to your PayPal or whatever payment method you choose. So this website will start paying us a lot more money for just sending links to other people, and I'm going to show you how to find these other people for free. It is pretty cool, and it's pretty amazing method to get you making some money right away. So if we go right here at the top menu and click Payment Proof, we can see how much money we can make. And we can also see that other people just like us are making money every minute. So we can see here, $10, $13, $18, $50, $100. It's amazing. If you scroll down, you can see all these payment proofs that have been sent to hundreds of people, which is pretty amazing. And all you have to do to make free money is to share a bunch of links to other people, which I'm gonna show you how it's done right now. Click register right here. Give yourself a username. I'm gonna say Justin. Then leave your email address. Set the passwords, and then click register. And boom, we already signed in, and check this out, fellas. Right away from the bat, we already have earned $1 in our account for just signing up to this website. Now, isn't that absolutely crazy and awesome? We just received free money to sign up for a website. Crazy, huh? Now we're going to be making a lot more money, so let's go do that. Next step is to go on youtube.com and find a cool video. And I'm going to show you the exact topic of the video you need to follow, because there's some certain topics that are going to make us more money, actually going to make us the most money. So in the search bar right here in YouTube, let's type workout videos, because a lot of people on YouTube like to watch workout videos. So as we can see, this video has 41 million views. This one has 37 million views, 4 million views, 34 million views. This category, workout videos, are one of the most popular categories on YouTube. So let's grab just the first video that says 20 minutes of full body workout. So I'm going to click that and open this on a new tab. We don't even have to watch this video. All we need to do is just click the share button below the video here. Click share, and this is your link. Click copy link, and now go back to shrinkme.io. And from here, just go to the left side and click New Shorten Link. Just paste the link you just copied from YouTube. Click Paste. And for allies, type gym or workout, and I'm gonna click Shorten This button. If the allies already exist, type gym underscore and then some random number. I'm gonna type gym underscore 73 and click Shorten again. And boom! This is our link, and every time someone clicks this link, we're going to be making money. And this is actually our next step, how to find people to click our links. Because if you go to the homepage of the website and click payout rates, we can see right here the countries that are paying us the most money. And so this is how it works. Basically, we're going to be sending this link that we just created to other people. And when they click the link, we're going to be making money. And as we can see, by 1,000 views, we're going to be making $22, $16, $7, and this is strongly dependent on the country the clicks are coming from. So we can see that Greenland pays the most amount of money, England, Belgium, and United States as well. So we have to focus on these countries. And so let's go back to our dashboard. Highlight this link. Right-click, click copy. And now we have to spread this link among other people so they can click it and we can make money. So how we do that? Open Google, and in the search here, what we're going to type is we're going to search for workout forums. Okay, And as we can see here, we're gonna see a lot of forums. And let's open the first one, which is forum.bodybuilding.com. And I'm going to right click and open this forum on a new tab. So here on this forum, we have thousands and even millions of people who can click our links, so we can make a lot of money. As we can see here on the left side, we have views counts, count 1 million, 300,000, 800,000, 1 million, 1 million, 2 million, almost 3 million views of these certain topics. Now go over here at the top and click Account, and create a new account in this forum. Once we create an account for the forum, we just go ahead and paste our shortened link in each of the discussions. And this is a win-win situation where you provide valuable videos to people who want to start working out and you get paid to provide this information. And you go back to Google and find more forums and repeat the same process. For example, I found this forum called sweat.com, again related to workout and bodybuilding. Go here at the top, click register, fill out your information, and start posting your special money-making link across this forum. But now, I'm gonna show you how to double and even triple your money. And here comes the special Google trick. Go back to Google, and instead of just searching any forum, go to this button at the top right corner, the gear icon, where it says Settings. Click this, and click Search Settings. When you scroll down, you're gonna see something called Region Settings. This option tells Google in which country should search for results. And if you remember from our publisher rates from shrinkme.io, website Greenland, Belgium, United States are paying the most amount of money. So what we need to do, go back to Google settings and we're going to search for the most money-making country, which is Greenland. Go back here, click Show More, and now we have to find Greenland, and here we go. This is Greenland, and I'm going to click this button. And then I'm going to click Save, and boom. So now fellas, Google will start searching for forums related to Greenland or forums only from Greenland. So every time we post the link, we're going to be making the most amount of money. So that's the best way of using this Google trick and the website called shrinkme.io. And another way I'm going to show you as a bonus is to use Facebook groups to spread your links to even more people and make even more money. And so, if we go to Facebook, and in the search bar right here, I type workout, and then we click groups right here at the left side, we can see hundreds and even thousands of groups related to bodybuilding and workout. And most of these groups have hundreds of thousands of people. As we can see, the first group has 300,000 members. This group has 600,000 members. This group has 2,000, and this one has 1.5 million members. So all you can do is join these groups and just start posting your links with good and nice videos. So people really like the videos, and the more people like the videos, the more people will click your links, and the more money you'll be making. That's it for today, fellas. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel if you like these type of money-making techniques. And now, let's make some money. Let me know down in the comments below how much money you've made after watching this video. Till the next time, cheers!